Section 10.1 Conics. This section, it just gives us, is meant to give an introduction about conics, what conics is about. Where the word conics came from. Well, the word conics came from the word cone. So cone, you've seen cone before. So sometimes people draw a cone like this, like an ice cream cone, right? Or it could be like upside down like that. So this, we call it right circular cone. Right circular cone means it's really lined up, straight up. It's not tilted to the right or to the left. That's called right circular cone. And what we have here is we have, let's say, a fixed line like this. And originally it was meant that we have two lines and then we did some rotation around this vertical line, call it line L, a fixed line L. And then when the rotation happened of these lines, that constructed two cones, a lower one and an upper one, like this. And the middle point is called the vertex usually. So if we think about a piece of paper, just a piece of paper, and cut this with that piece of paper like so. Then the intersection that occurred here is, so when we did the cut, it was like a horizontal cut, really straight horizontal this way. So the plane, we call this plane, the plane is parallel to the top and the bottom of the cones. That intersection that we got is the circle. It's called circle. So the green shaded part, that's a circle. Now, if you happen to tilt the figure or the paper, what happens? Well, if the paper is going this way, then the intersection is gonna look like this. The intersection in 3 dimensions. This thing that I just drew is called parabola. Now if I draw the figure again, two lines like so, and we got the upper cone and the lower cone, vertex V, and we cut it with the horizontal plane. What we got here, that's the intersection. So it's a tilted plane, and the intersection in this case, that's called ellipse. That's an ellipse. The intersection between the plane and the cone, it's called an ellipse. And the last one here, again, the two lines, the cones, okay, and then if we do cut it with a plane like so, then what we get one intersection piece here between the plane and the cones, and the other one is like this. These two together form what we call hyperbola. So we can summarize these figures that we get. We can say conics. In conics we have circles, we have hyperbola, ellipse, and parabola. So we're going to see the parabola. Now in the next sections, or all the subsequent sections, here we're going to see this in section 10.2. This is going to see this in 10.3. This is going to be seen 10.4. These are the main things. Circles is not like a major topic as the other ones. So we're going to see them in the subsequent sections. And that's what this section is about. It's just to introduce what conics about, what the word conics it means, where does it come from, where these figures, how we obtain these figures in reality. That's what came in the geometric interpretation of them, that they came based on the intersection between the cones and the plane. And so we have four of them: circle, hyperbola, parabola, and ellipse.